Hello and good evening. Today's daily video task topic is a non-technical topic called climate change. In this video, I am going to talk about climate change, causes, its causes, and the causes of climate change and how does it affects us and how can we manage the climate change. Now, what is climate change? Climate change refers to big changes in the Earth's weather pattern uh, over a long period of time. This means the usual weather we experience, like summer, rainfall, or winter, starts to change. For example, winter may not be as cold, and summer might get more hotter, or there may be more storms or and droughts. While the Earth's climate has changed has changed naturally over thousands of years, it is changing at much faster rate than the usual. So mostly because of the human activities, which leads to pollution. Now, what causes the climate change? Change the main reason behind the climate change is the increase in uh, greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. For example, when we burn the fossil fuel like coal, oil, and gas for energy, it releases carbon dioxide, CO2, and other greenhouse gases. These gases uh, trap heat from the sun, causing the planet get warmer, like the like a blanket keeping the earth too warm. Another is deforestation or cutting down trees, which also leads to this problem. Where trees absorb CO2, so when we cut down the trees, more CO2 uh, are accumulated in the or stays in the atmosphere. Another factories, cars, and even more farming activities also releases greenhouse gases that contributes to the climate change. Uh, these are the effects, sorry, causes that causes of the climate change. Now, it how does the climate change affects us or the surrounding? The climate change has many effects on the planet, and and these changes are can affect us all, uh, like rising temperature. The earth is getting warmer, and this could this can lead to the heat waves, making it too hot in some places and for people to live comfortably. And melting another is melting ice and rising the sea level or water level. And as the planet warms, the ice in the Arctic and Antarctic region starts melting. This causes the increase in sea level or water level to rise, which can lead to flood at the coastal region or coastal cities. Extreme weathers Another is extreme weather. Climate change can cause more storms, floods, droughts, and wildfire. This can damage the homes, crops, affect the crops, and make it difficult for the animals also to survive. Another is impact on the wildlife. Animals and plants may struggle to survive in changing weather conditions. For example, polar bear uh, find ice needs ice needs ice to hunt and live, and as the ice melts, it becomes harder for them to find food. Now, how can it how can the weather change sorry climate change can be managed? So there are some simple steps that we can take, which helps in the managing in climate change. First is using less energy. Turning off lights and electronics when you are not using them. Trying to use energy saving bulbs uh, and appliances. Another is the concept of reduce, reuse, and recycle. We should recycle, and recycling can help reduce the waste and save resources. Using less plastic and also reusing the items helps in the managing. Another is planting trees. Trees absorb the carbon dioxide, so planting more trees can help in the managing the climate change. Another is support clean energy. Clean energy, encouraging the use of solar, wind, and other renewables energy sources that doesn't pollute the surrounding. Another is using public transport or carpool. Driving less vehicles can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide which is released into the air. Uh, we should walk, cycle, or use public transport, which is good alternatives. Now, why should we care about the climate change? Mm, we should care about the because we should care about the climate change because it affects all of us, all of us humans, organisms, other organisms, our environment, and also the future generation. So we should act now, and we can slow down the climate change, also manage and protect the planet for future generation.